Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be talking about some information that I feel like could be useful to upcoming medical students or just someone who's going into the nursing field in general. So the first thing on my list is figure out your path. Is this the right field for you? Do you want to work in pediatrics? Do you want to work in cardiology? Do you want to work with respiratory things of that nature? Like, figure out what type of path that you want to enter into. Do you want to stop at medical assisting? Do you want to become an RN? Do you want to become hired? Think about that before you enter into medical school. And then think about what school you want to go to. Always research before you go to school. Research, are they accredited? How long is the program? How what you need to do before you enter into school. Do you have your FAFSA ready? You need to consider that before you enter into any school in general. The next thing I have on my list is externship. So if you're already in medical school, in the beginning, you need to be figuring out where you want to extern at, which that goes into like what I was talking about. Do you want to work in pediatrics? So maybe you need to find somewhere where it's just strictly for children. Do you want to work with older people, or do you want to work with skin? Go to a dermatology practice. So think about that when you're already into the medical field. This is important. This is very important. You need to be on time for class because the teacher is not going to wait for you. Sometimes you might get a teacher that's nice enough who will actually go back and reteach the lesson for you, or give you notes of the PowerPoint, like print out the whole PowerPoint for you if you're late. But you need to be on time for school, and if you're not going to be on time, this comes to the next bullet. You need to communicate with your teachers, communicate with people above them, because if you don't, the type of school I'm in is like vocational, so it's only a 9-month program, so you need to be in communication with them, because if you miss something, it's going to be hard, like not going to be hard for you to catch up. But if you're already struggling in that subject and you're not understanding, and then you decide that, oh, I'm not going to show up to class today because X, Y, and Z. You need to communicate with your teachers. You need to communicate with admissions. You need to communicate with everyone so they know your situation. And they are very understanding. So ask for help. That's my next bullet. Ask for help. So like I was saying, if you're struggling, ask for help. Ask for help with anything you need. Even your classmates, ask for them for help. Ask your teacher for help. Go above your teachers if for some reason they don't know what they're talking about. But always ask for help. Get in study groups. Get with your classmates. Make a group chat about the things you're going over in class, and just, discuss it and study before you have like exams or just little old quizzes, or if you're having a project, y'all need to get together and study so you all can pass. Another tip that I would say is to bring extra scrubs, because we are females and anything can happen where we might when we're on our days and it gets through your scrubs. Have extra scrubs. Or if you're just in clinicals and such stuff, like urine of other people get on you, or blood or anything gets on you, you need to have extra scrubs so you can change and be clean. Wear comfortable shoes. If you're in clinicals, you will be standing up for a long time, so I would recommend you bring comfortable shoes. Turn in your assignment on time. That is very important. Turn in your assignment on time, because your homework is 10% of your grade. So turn in your assignments on time. And if you know that you're not going to be able to turn in your assignment on time, that brings me back to my first 3 things. Communicate with your professors. This is very important, guys. Stay focused, because a lot of times you get off track, and being that you're in the medical field, this is one of the fields you really need to stay focused, because you are working on other people and you need to know what specific things you need to do when you're doing it. So like, for instance, like we're in class and we're discussing blood draws and you want to have a sidebar conversation with your friends. No. Stay focused. And remember that you did not come to make friends. You came to get an education. You came to graduate so that you can get a job after you're done. So I feel like these are all important tips. Also, we do have vending machines at my school, so I recommend you all to bring cash, because classes are I take night classes, which is from 5:30 to 10:30, and yes, we do get an hour break. But for those who do not have vehicles, I would recommend you either bring cash for the vending machines or bring a lunch or snack or whatever the case may be. I think that's pretty much it. Bring your supplies. You know you're gonna need paper. You know you're gonna need pencils and pens. Bring highlighters, because we are allowed to write in the textbooks and take notes. Always take notes, or if your instructor offers you a copy of the PowerPoint, ask them to print a copy off and highlight in like the notes that they give you. So that's pretty much I have for tips before you enter the medical field, slash if you're already in the medical field, because I feel like everything that I said is very important or could be useful. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Click the bell beside it so you can be notified every time I post. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.